Welcome to this presentation on how to write an operation management assessment. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. When starting your operations management dissertation, the first crucial step is choosing a relevant topic. Begin by exploring trending areas such as supply chain management, lean operations, or the impact of emerging technologies. Your choice should reflect both your personal interest and the academic or industry relevance of the topic. It's important to assess the availability of data, literature, and case studies for research support. Additionally, a strong topic often addresses current industry pain points or existing research gaps. For instance, the post-COVID supply chain disruptions or the integration of AI in inventory systems are timely issues. By choosing a well-defined and engaging topic, you lay a strong foundation for your dissertation. This helps ensure motivation throughout your research and adds value to both academic and practical audiences. The background and rationale section sets the stage for your dissertation. Here, you must explain the operational context surrounding your chosen topic. Discuss what problem or inefficiency exists, using current data, academic references, or industry reports. This helps establish credibility and shows your understanding of the field. Next, build a case for why this issue is important. What will be gained from solving or better understanding it? For example, if your focus is on warehouse automation, explain the rising trend in e-commerce and the demand for efficiency. This approach not only justifies your study, but also highlights its relevance to real-world challenges. A clear and well-researched rationale connects your topic to wider operational goals and supports your academic contribution. After your rationale, it's vital to articulate what your dissertation intends to achieve. This is done by writing one overarching research aim and a few specific objectives. The aim should provide a clear focus, like assessing the impact of lean practices in manufacturing. Your objectives must follow the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. They guide your methodology and help structure your analysis. For instance, one objective could be to examine production cycle times before and after lean adoption. Ensure each objective contributes to answering your main research question. Clear aims and objectives not only give direction to your research, but also demonstrate your planning and analytical skills. This is key to a strong dissertation introduction. Writing your introduction strategically sets the tone for your entire dissertation. Start by introducing your topic clearly, followed by providing a solid background and justification. Next, transition smoothly into your research aim and objectives. Support your arguments using up-to-date and credible academic and industry sources. Use a formal academic tone throughout and ensure your structure follows university guidelines. This section is often revised multiple times, so be prepared to review and refine your content. Seeking feedback from peers or supervisors can help improve clarity and coherence. A well-crafted introduction not only captures the reader's interest, but also reflects your ability to present research professionally. In summary, a strong dissertation introduction involves careful planning and thoughtful writing. Start by selecting a relevant topic that aligns with your interests and industry trends. Build a compelling case for your study by explaining the operational background and why the issue deserves attention. Then, define precise aims and SMART objectives to guide your research. Throughout the process, prioritize clarity, structure, and academic integrity in your writing. Don't hesitate to revise your drafts or consult your mentor for suggestions. Remember, your introduction not only introduces your study, it sets the stage for the entire research project. By following these strategies, you can ensure your dissertation begins with a strong, focused, and impactful opening.